So I'm in a really random thrift store. It's pretty cool though. Some lights for sale here. Some ceiling fans for sale there. Thought that was cool. Ceiling fan for sale back here. Cool lampshades. Arcade machines. Oh, it's an Emerson. Another ceiling fan up there. Silver face. And there. Heritage. And over here there's guitars. Old Lasko there. Oh, none of these guitars jumped out at me, but I'll show you what they got. But that was kind of cool. Okay, thanks for watching.